I'm in LA getting loaded. My dog got some boats for the high and a little by the low, you would think that he grow it. Finna hop on a road by the shop for some clothes by the low, make it hard not to notice. Got his on in my toes and I find it so they don't go up. Yeah, kid, that's that.
She gon' drink my kid, just her protocol. Try go up with me, I just met y'all. I don't even know y'all. I don't got no odds. Fuck them red lights. I don't feel I made their heart stop. In Japan, I'm counting my yen. I'm British, you say I'm a 10. In Japan, I'm counting my yen. I'm British, you say I'm a 10. I cheated, can't do it again. I cheated, can't do it again.
What's poppin' down, Bobby? It's been a minute since I've dropped a video, man. Yeah, I've been kind of gone from the military. If you guys haven't seen, I did put that on a post on YouTube. If you guys have been notified, have your notifications on. Have your notifications on. Stupid ass. I don't know who I am. I am Dom the Don, Dom the Don, Dom the Don, Dom, whatever you want to call me, bro. I do fashion, lifestyle, hygiene videos. Tap in. Anyways, with that being said, make sure you go follow my Instagram if you guys haven't already. We've been posting crazy outfits. We've been working with a lot of brands too, and not just other brands, but my own brand as well. That being said, let's get into the video. I know I clicked on the video. We go, we go, Ricky! Boom! Dom, that was not funny. Yo, Mr. Rick today, man. Look at that. Rick Owen. Yeah! I'm not gonna lie, this is my first pair of Rick Owens. And one thing I do want to say, am I overly loud? Look, he got my headphones on. Everybody, take your sheets, buckle your seatbelts. We are gonna be blasting off in approximately 3 to 5 minutes. Prepare for takeoff. We're gonna be heading to San Diego today. Stupid ass. What? Like, these low-key kind of give van vibes. Come on now, if you don't know what vans are, a bag that says Rick Owens on it. Ooh, I know that's low-key kind of hard. This is pretty cool. I don't know what I would use this for, but I don't know what the hell I would use it for, but I guess it's pretty cool. We just throw that over there. We got a mail letter that says from Mr. Rick Owen himself. Welcome. Hey man, I'm also gonna give y'all a code. I'm gonna give y'all a code to where you can come cop these shoes. So make sure to stay in the video. I got you. The code lives right here. I got y'all though. I ain't gonna lie, these go dumb as hell. Oh my gosh. And take them out the dust bag. This is pretty much the inside of the box. Yeah, as you guys can see, it says Rick Owen right there. It says if you want to be a member of Dom the Don, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Are y'all seeing this? That's crazy. They really put that in the box. Make sure to subscribe. The dust bag. I probably will never be using this bag ever again. Damn. Oh my gosh. Nah, these are crazy. Rick Owens are the low top. I'm not gonna lie, personally me, I'm not a big fan of the high top Rick Owens. Personally because I just seen so many people have them. But yeah, this is the bottom of the shoe put together like this. Damn, I'm not gonna lie, these low-key kind of hard. This colorway is hard as hell, bro. Damn, bro, this material is really good. Like, I'm actually really shocked. Like, it doesn't feel like full or anything. Comment down what color y'all would go for. If y'all would go for this color or a different color. Pretty much gonna show y'all as well an on-feet review so y'all can see what it looks like on feet. I ain't gonna lie, I got the ankle socks on. I got the ankle socks on right now. That's low-key kind of crazy. But let me also show y'all the inside of the shoe. This is what it looks like inside the shoe as well. Like the tongue. Low-key gonna try to get in there for y'all. Get in there. Get in it. Stupid. It says this right here. Made in Italy. Then it's barcode number. Then it has like some patch. Like I don't even know what this patch is. But I'm about to show y'all on feet what it looked like. I'm about to tell y'all as well if it's TTS or if y'all need a size up. You feel me? So that being said, I'll see y'all on the ground right about now. I would definitely give these a 9 out of 10. These are super hard. I low-key glad that I got the low tops. Everybody get the high top ones and they just ugly. Like, I don't even think there's a few different colors, but I don't know. The low top ones is just hard, bro. Like, and if you see these shoes, it's like you gotta know if you know. Like, if you don't know, then you're not gonna know what type of shoes. But if you really like tapped in, you're gonna know what these is. You feel me? But yeah, W brand. I'm about to put a code right here to where y'all can go cop these shoes from. Highfoot.ru. Use y'all code for 15% off. Also, it's be in the link in the description of the video. Y'all can click the link. Yeah, there y'all go. Highfoot.ru. They sent me these shoes. Shout out to them. If y'all want to see more videos like this, comment down below. I got y'all. Go click the link down below as well to go get y'all some Ricks or different pair of shoes. They got everything that you can really imagine. That being said, I appreciate everybody tapping in, tuning into the video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Make sure to go follow my Instagram as well. We're about to hit 10,000 subscribers too. Hey, we out.